Samsung fans! One UI 8 beta based on Android 16 just launched for Galaxy S24, Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6 today. Want to test it and shape its future? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this beta bonanza. Samsung kicked off the One UI 8 beta for Galaxy S24 series, Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6, with more devices joining soon. This guide shows you how to download it and which phones are compatible. Ready to get started? Keep watching. Samsung's newsroom post confirms One UI 8 beta is live for Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra, Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6 in South Korea, the UK, and the US. More devices like the S23 series, Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, and A series models, A36, A55, A35, and A54 will get access soon, expanding the Android 16 beta party. Here's how to join the fun. Download the Samsung Members app from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Log in with your Samsung account, tap the beta program banner, and sign up. Then go to Settings, click on Software Update, and download and install. Check for the One UI 8 beta. Agree to the terms and install. Report bugs to help Samsung polish the final release. One UI 8 beta brings Android 16's latest features to your Galaxy device early, letting you test new tricks and provide feedback to boost stability. Being part of the beta means you're shaping Samsung's next big update. Could this be their smoothest software yet? The One UI 8 beta is rolling out now for S24, Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6. Grab it and test Android 16. Which feature are you most excited for? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Samsung's One UI 8 beta launch. Are you diving into the beta or waiting for the full release? Share your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this guide, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.